Hello student, welcome to the class of Fiber Technology. Myself Archana Misra, lecturer, Government Polytechnic College, Kota. Now today's topic of discussion is the structure of fibers. Now first we will discuss about the structural features of fibers. The structural features are found in fibers are as below. According to size levels, first the atoms are joined into mers and then mers are joined into high polymer chains. For example, if you will take ethylene molecule, then carbon and hydrogen are joined to form mers, and these ethylenes are joined into high polymer chain and converted into polyethylene, and then chain molecules are arranged into crystallite and amorphous region with the preferential alignment along the fiber axis. For example, if we are taking here the polyethylene, then polyethylene is, all of you know about, it is of two types, low density and high density. In low density polyethylene, the molecules are arranged in random arrangement, whereas in crystalline or high density polyethylene, the molecules are arranged in a long range order. That's why are crystalline in nature. To know, crystallites and amorphous region are then joined and preferentially aligned in layers that are called fibrils. And now these fibrils are aligned preferentially along the main fiber axis. Now the fibers are differentiated into cuticle, primary wall, secondary wall, central canal or lumen, surface seal, etc. And then the entire fibers are spiraled or crimped. The structural features that are shown at point 1 to 3 are common to all fibers, whereas features 4 to 5 are common to all natural and some man-made fibers, while features 6, 7 are practically unique to natural fibers. That is shown here in the following figure, the parts of the fiber. So this is the primary wall, and this is the cuticle, and this one is the secondary wall, that is shown by the blue lines, and this is the fibrils, and this is the lumen, and this one is the growth rings, and this is also the morphology of cotton fibers. So this is the pectin, this is lumen, and that contains fats and waxes. And now the parts of the fiber. So first, what is the cuticle? The cuticle of cotton fiber is a very thin layer which is tightly attached to the outside of the primary wall of the fiber. Actually, it encloses fiber and protects from mechanical and chemical damages. It consists of cotton wax and mixtures of fats, waxes, and oils. And next is the primary wall. Actually, it is built up of from cellulose, and cellulose that is present inside the primary wall is in the form of fibrils or fine thread. That means the fibers or fine threads are made of cellulose. And secondary wall, it also composed mainly of cellulose and contribute most of the weight to the fiber. And lumen, it is at the center of the growing fiber, and which remains as a cylindrical white at maturity. Now here is the some structural difference between natural and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are generally and though not always more highly expanded materials than man-made fibers. And a natural fiber is more typically a porous tube, whereas a man-made fiber is usually a dense, non-porous rod. Due to these characteristics, acid and base dyes react chemically with the fibers, while insoluble dyes are held mechanically in pores. So now the man-made fibers that are more uniform, less highly differentiated structures than natural fiber. The gross structure of cotton, wool, silk are shown here. So this one is the structure of carbon. This is for flax. This is for silk, and this is for wool, and this is for rayon, and this is for nylon. From figure we are seeing cotton has random structure, whereas flax and silk the molecules are arranged in a long arrange order, wherein rayon and nylon the molecules are parallel in axis. So that's why it has a very high strength for rayon and nylon in comparison to the cotton, because cotton is amorphous in nature. And here some glass and some other synthetic fiber that exhibit regular cylindrical structure of nylon. So this is all about the structure of fibers. So we will concluding here, the structure of the fiber is depend upon the arrangement of the molecules or the alignment of the molecules, how the molecules are aligned in a fiber axis. If the molecules are arranged or aligned parallel to the fiber axis, so the fibers are more chemically stable and also thermally stable and having very high strength and but very low elongation or elasticity. And thank you.